What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dredge. We're gonna... Oh, fuck, we have Banish on cooldown. We're gonna make our way over to the basin because we need to do some stuff. Yeah, talk to the researcher, which we know who that is, and we need to collect samples as well. So we'll do both of them while we're there, of course. And then we need to give this some time to rot. It's stale right now, so it should be getting close. Is it rotting or rotted? Rotting. Alright, so we need to check it pretty consistently because I think it just turns into rotten meat or something once it's rotted. So when it says rotting, we need to hurry up. What is that? Oh, it's a shark. Sharks are chill. I fuck with sharks. Man, I still have no fucking idea where I thought the Cusky eel was. I don't remember. But... because I could have swore it was at Devil's Spine, but... it wasn't there. I think I'm going insane. Might be the only thing that makes sense. This has to be the researcher, the student he's talking about, right? I mean, there's no one else. Like, these islands are pretty sparsely populated, you know? And it makes sense. There's a giant squid monster here. There's a giant squid monster over there. Honestly, that seems like a lot of giant squid monsters. Might be the same giant squid monster. Oh, hello again. What do you need? I didn't expect the name to follow me all the way out here. Perhaps that was naive of me. So what do you want? Tell me about... well, it's the same tech used in that repulsor machine I gave you. Strictly would call it a defense system. It doesn't interact with anything on a physical level. It's the Ironhenge Scientific Communication Division has long been working on projects further their exertion over the natural world. Complicated stuff, but essentially they were trying to emit signals to communicate with, well, anything they wanted to, I suppose. The tech I've been working with, communication, Tim Spark has a single word, flee. It's vocalized panic responses of every animal I was able to gather acoustic data for. What else? Oh wait, I don't even think that matters, because I think it could, like, we need to protect the rig as it's working. I couldn't give a damn about the rig or the corp. But not everyone there deserves to face the consequences of corp's actions. I'll give you some schematics. I'm sure someone there is smart enough to decipher them and get it built. Just don't let them think this means I forgive them or that I approve what they're doing. What else? Nothing. You're chill. Alright. Let's go collect the evil goop fish. Oh, there's one of them we were needing. I recognize the outline. Boom. Ooh. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Got him. Easy. Eagle shark. Cool. What would this even be, dude? Tripod spider fisher. Wait, aren't tripod fish a real thing? I keep saying that like as I haven't established that I know all the fish in this are real, dog. Oh my god. Okay, so we need that one, I think. Honestly, I don't know. Oh, fence fishing. Let's check out what that is. That's rods with real fish 15% more effectively. That's nice. What were we need? Oh, books. Right here. Boom, boom. Mahi mahi. Alright, was that one of the ones we were needing? I don't think it was it? No, it wasn't. We got the eagle shark, the tripod spider fish. We need a Caria machichelia. Whatever that fucking means, which is probably that thing right there. It sounds like a fish. That'd be Hadal. Oh shit, I suck. Yeah, I was right. I knew it. Wait, where's our conger? Oh my god, it turned into rot. Fuck. I wasn't paying enough attention. I don't even know if we could have made it in time. Damn. That was quick. Let's check our crab pot. I don't think the crab pot will have one. I remember one of the ones we needed here was in the crab pot though, so I don't think it would have one, but... Oh no, it's sea slug. Yeah, it does have them. Alright, cool. I'm lucky I caught one, I guess. Alright. And that should be the last set of samples we need. Fuck. Okay, at least it's one of the jet drives. Or maybe we need one more set, because... Have we collected samples from everywhere? Oh, it's infecting all my fish, dude. Please don't destroy them before I get to the oil rig. I really would hate to waste time. That'd be very unfortunate. What I think I'll do is I'll probably get a conger eel again, go to the hooded figure, and then just drive around. Not like actually doing anything, just drive around the hooded figure until it's rotting, and then just give it to him. But I wanna work on the rig so I can upgrade my rod. Oh, it's growing stronger. Okay, we need to get these. We need to get these over here to research. Let me get here quickly. Quickly. Oh shit, just let me dock, let me dock, let me dock. Fuck! God damn it. Bro. I just screamed into the mic, that's my bad. Bro, we literally lost one of the... It could have hit anywhere else. That did 3 damage. Could have literally hit anywhere else on the ship, by the way, but no. Damn, 80 for a mahi-mahi. That's kind of crazy, actually. Defenses, so we need goop and Iron Haven crate. All right, let's rest first. So we'll fish up some crates, which I know there's crates over here. Yeah, we'll fish up these crates. Then we'll dredge them up. We'll dredge these crates up. Then we'll take a warp over to the one area. Then we will go and find another one of the weird little Hadal creatures. Grab it, and then we'll make our way back. That teleport's so nice, I love it. And then it should be this way? Nope, wrong way. So this way. Yeah. And then we can hit the storage over here as well. Drop these crates off, take the dark canister, and collect a vial of goop. Let's catch a couple mahi-mahis, because we need some money, so we might as well. They sell for a good little chunk. Ooh, Xeno. It's like an alien mahi. That's cool. We can also check our crab pot, grab that for money. Take all. Boom. Righty right. My storage. Boom, boom, boom. Fish market. Sell all the fish. Yeah, we should be good. Then you'll want to storage, and then this bad boy. We'll replace. Do we need that? Wait, is this? Yes, we do need that. Okay, so we'll have to come back for that. Actually, no. We need to get the liquid first so it doesn't give the fish long enough time to rot. Oh, here, let's sleep. I don't like being out during the night. That's spooky. God, I'm so hungry, dude. I'm eating after I record this one. But I'm starving. I'm starving like a Marvin. Starving like a Marvin. I really hope I don't have to go around the entire world and collect all the goop. I'm gonna kill myself. That would be very unfortunate. I would not enjoy doing that. Listen, I might love the environment and nature and all that, but the black goop can stay. It's chill, honestly. Alrighty, right. Let's take this bad boy back because we got a canister. Throw this in the storage. Nets. Pick up. Oh, wait, fuck. Can we even... Do we have to have the net on us, or can we put this in storage? Yeah, okay, I thought so. And then my storage, and then take this bad boy off. Gonna sleep because we got quite the trek to make. Oh wait, we needed to get one of those one fish anyways. Never mind. And then once we grab that, we'll make the trek back. Let's repair. I think those one things are like over towards this way somewhere. Wait, those rocks don't glow normally, do they? Oh, doesn't matter, it's a crab. Let's see if we can find the one, guys. There we are. We'll use the insta murder everything ability. Ooh. That's new. We haven't got those before. Alright, let's go to the oil rig. Oil rig, oil rig. And that means we should be able to complete the samples and install the defenses. So we shouldn't get murdered by tentacle anymore. And now we know we need to save up our speed boost when we get close so we can just speed past it. Watch, I'm gonna get hit. It's gonna disable my engine. Speaking of disabling my engine, it's gonna disable my good engine, It's gonna destroy my dark vial that's in my storage. Trust that's how that. Oh my god, I just did it again. Okay, okay, it's chill. It's chill. We still have our good engine. Listen, it's been some episodes since I destroyed anything, so any engines at least. So I think So I think it was called for now. We'll grab these because I'm not really sure how many I'll need. Plus we can use them for research parts. We need a fair bit of research parts because we need them to get the upgrades that are in the one island. What am I? One shop area. It takes like the research parts and like 50 coins or something. And then, yeah. I love you, giant squid. Please don't attack me. Giant squid. Giant squid, giant squid. The eyeballs on your tentacles are very pretty. Please don't attack me, giant squid. Ooh, 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 giant squid, giant squid. Alright, didn't attack me. See, you just gotta serenade the monster a little bit. That's all you really need to do. Boom. The brains of the fish are primitive in many ways. Their simplicity is a kind of purity. No burdensome emotions to confuse the data. Just as rigor mortis lacks the muscles, the final shape of the mind is held by the brain, but it can be extracted. It was pierced with sharp sound of capacitors charging the corpses of the bench shock jolt, and some. The difficulty is in reading it. Don't forget, the Reeks need some kind of defense system because people are depending on you oddly enough. Yeah. The prehistoric fish, that's how I thought. Okay, that's cool. Oh wait, we need the canister. Oh wait, we need to sell these fishies. Construct. Droning voice begins to sound from the top of the rig, reverberating through the metal down into the deep. Oh shit, it actually worked. That's fair, honestly. Oh. Now, giant ass squid's gonna come up and destroy the entire rig. You know, actually, more like good ass squid. Corporations are the evil one here. They shouldn't be destroying the planet. Like, look. Oh yeah, the twisted, that area. That was the last area we haven't been, I think. And we're back on track. While he overstepped his corporate responsibility, it appears the foreman was right to enlist your assistance. There's one final building that needs to be constructed on the platform: fleet services. Without this building, we're unable to scale our efforts efficiently. Cut your deal. If you assist in the construction of this building, I permit the workers to fit your vessel with a sufficient hull upgrade. Oh! After that, I don't want to see you around here anymore. Our operation is confidential. Get on with it. Oh shit. Yes, please. Wait, so we can get a hull upgrade? Excellent. Reminder, fisherman, prevent those to the hull with our tech here. I think you know how this works by now. You have to gather materials yourself. Fuck you! Ah. Oh. Ooh. 11 spaces? That's a lot. Oh, we need one for tier 5. Alright. So we need 3 more. 1 for the hull upgrade. 2 for this. Fish from Twisted Strand. Do you have them? We even get mangrove? I don't think so. No, we need a anti-tangle line. Here, we'll upgrade our stuff first with the stuff. And then that I hope give us the ability to get the mega fishing rod upgraded. I think, maybe. Not too sure. Let's see, how long have I been recording? Alright, 20 minutes, that's not terrible. Where can we get some crates at though? Because I don't want to craft them. That would be really sad if I had to craft them. Because they're expensive, and I don't like expensive things. You can try to hit this one. See if there's any there. I think that's where we hit before, like when we came through though. Maybe we left a crate or two somewhere. I don't think we did. Oh, yep, there's a crate. Good, good, good. There's just these two crates. We'll hit this one. I know we haven't hit that one before. Then we can upgrade the stuff. We'll need money for the ship upgrade. Probably, I say a lot, but yeah, it's a lot. I've seen something shiny right here. Once strong, when hull is broken, the stern is completely burnished. Try to get inside the stern. Ooh, awesome. We love it. We love free research and free materials that we can't really use anymore, but hey, it's something. It's free. I really thought that was going to be a crab attack. That they were going to pull up and be like, ah, crab, ah. I'd be like, no. I think that's what happens. Alrighty, right. Yeah, so it's like right there. Give or take a little bit. Oh, there they are. I think that's two as well. Yes, it is. It's exactly what we were needing. And then we can do evil ass ability on the fish around here. Where were they at? These little rat tails. Evil ass fish ability. Boom. We want him. He sells for more. We do not want that one. He does not sell for much because he's infected. And then we'll head back to the fishing rig. And then we will sell these fishies. Turn in the upgrades. And then what I think I will do is I'll go buy all my crab pots. Empty them. I'm gonna do this off camera because it's gonna take a minute because I gotta drive around, go through all the crab pots, you know, stuff like that. So I'll go through all the crab pots, empty them, repair them, you know, that kind of stuff. And that should make us a little money. Not much, but a little. And then we will probably grind some cash, which we'll see. We will see. Because I want to get the extra hull. That would be nice. Would be very nice indeed. Would be very nice and swell if I could do that. We'll just have to see. No, not research. Actually, we can do research because we have that one. Boom. Factory. Boom. Boom. Construct. Factory maxed. Tell me I can get the best fishing rod. Can't, okay. So, oh, interesting. Oh, that's how you get the bait. I see. All right, so we need this. So we need the anti-tangle line, which we have. We need a dark canister and iron and a crate. So we have to find some evil ass goop sometime. Oh yeah, we were wanting to sell these fish. What were we needing the crate? Was it fleet service? Yes, it was. We can find another fleet or crate somewhere. Let's just go to not there. No storage. Let us put this bad boy in. Let us go here and repair. And then where will some evil ass goop be? Evil ass goop up here? Yeah. Evil ass goop. Saying evil ass is so silly. I don't know why I like saying that so much. We'll collect a canister of goop. It might be best to collect 2 canisters of goop, honestly. While we're here. Because, like, there's plenty of goop. We could use the goop. And I'm sure we'll need more goop sometime. Ooh, completed the reading. Nice, let's see what it is. Engine limit. 7% more movement speed. 7.5%, which is nice. Wait, have we looked at this place right here before? I feel like we have. Campsite. Yes, we have, okay. Fuck! I did not mean to do that. It's chill, it's chill. We're just collecting goop. We don't need a lot of space. Goop collected. Crocodile. One Piece crocodile. There we go. Undo that. Go over to the oil rig. Da, da, da. And we should be able to grab the samples from the twisted area. And I believe that will be the last samples we need. That's the last area, so it should be. I don't know how much worse the situation could be, so we'll just have to see. We'll just have to see. Not fire. Oh, actually, we might need some from the fireproof area now that I think about it. Or the fire area, not fireproof area. I didn't really think about that. That's probably what we will need. Easy work. What we need? Oh yes, repairing. Got the undermarket. Let's see here. Yo, what's up, gamers? As you might be seeing now, I lost some footage somehow. Not really sure what happened, to be honest. I don't know if OBS crashed or like what happened. But I lost some footage from here. I lost a really cool scene. Like when you turn in the samples and stuff, the fish, like a giant evil ass fish, circles the oil rig. And that's kind of all. I lost probably about like 12 minutes of gameplay, I think, or 10, somewhere around there. Not a whole lot, um, but I figured I'd let you all know. But yeah, sorry about that. I really don't know what happened. Thank you for watching, of course, and have a good day. See ya.